All right, is this live? Where are we right now? Let me just check 1 second, guys. I need to load up my TikTok. I was wondering, I was like, hey, where's the volume? Then I was like, oh my God, I've not even gone into it on my phone so I can actually hear it in my headphones. So I want to understand what the hell's going on. Yeah, we are here. We're live, guys. And 1 second. Boom. Now we are live. All right, here it goes. Let's go. I knew I was going to make some cock-ups this morning. But it's all right. It's all right. We are here. We are here. We'll see what's going on in the markets in a second. All right, we're live on YouTube as well, which is good. I don't know what the sound is going to be like on YouTube. So, yeah, guys, if you can't hear me, just drop a message in the chat. Okay. Everything seems to be okay right now. Let me just get the chat sorted on. Okay, remove that account. Disconnect here and then reconnect TikTok. All right, guys, let's make $1,000. We need to make $1,000, and I don't like the way the market's chopping around. Market's being absolutely bleh. Yesterday was all right. It wasn't too bad. We managed to catch a few good trades. Anybody catch any good trades yesterday? Any of you been trading live yesterday? Who we got here with us right now? We got Daz FX and we got Sunbeats Beauty Spa. Sunbeats, you know, I said yesterday or the other day, I said I'm just going to be doing the late night sessions. I just couldn't leave. I couldn't leave like the London session, guys. I was like, nah, you know what? I can't leave the guys. I can't just leave them and start over. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to stick to the London session as well. Because I like the London session. I wanted some space so I can just like trade and focus on the charts myself. But trades come throughout the whole day anyway, so I can trade later on in the day if I can't concentrate while I'm live. But I think I should be okay whilst I'm live. All right, who we got here with us right now? Guys, yo, Ahmed. Ahmed's like, yo, uncle. Ahmed, you managed to catch it out. Ahmed, I wasn't going to come on yet. And then last minute, I just changed everything. I was like, do you know what? I can't leave the London session, guys. I was like, I'm staying in the London session. This is what we're going to do. We're going to stay in the London session. And that's it. We're not going to... it's like strategy hopping. Do you know when you're strategy hopping in trading? I was strategy hopping trying to find out how I can like grow my social media and stuff. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm just going to stick to this one. I'm not going to do late night, evening, hour trading or nothing like that. I'm just going to stick to the London session because the London session's good. Sometimes it moves real nice. We're going to do some top-down analysis soon, guys. Wow. About time it started picking up. You know, Somali trader journey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. To be honest, London session is so bad. You can make a lot of money in the London session though. And the thing is, you could come on live with me, you can learn something, and then you can go back on the New York session and try the stuff out and see if it works for you. Yeah, so I won't be leaving the London session, guys. I'm going to stay with you. I was getting a lot of messages saying, no, you can't. And I was like, why? But I thought, nah, we'll stay. We'll stay. Okay. Anyway, we'll do some top-down analysis. I just need to have some coffee. Guys, if you want, go grab yourself some drink and chill. Get a coffee, grab a drink, and do whatever you need to do because the markets are really slow and choppy right now. So we've still got some time on our hands. So like, if you need a shit, go for a shit now. You don't want to have a shit one, miss a trade and you miss $1,000. That'll be a very expensive shit. Cold coffee in this hot weather is just absolutely banging. Oh, we got a Naveen Singh in the house. Wow. Who we got? We've got D-Night Menace. Oh, we got that Chinese writing. Wow, tell me your name. Bryce, we got Naveen Singh, we got Keto. Keto, do you do keto diets? I need to lose some weight right now because most of the time I'm just sitting on the charts and I don't like that. I'm getting fat. Spanish Academy, Jacob Stevens, Sunbeats, Beauty Spa, Daz FX, Ahmed, Day Trader, Trading Futures, and Somali Trader Journey at the top. Wow, absolutely brilliant. Guys, as we go on a little bit later into this morning, the live starts picking up, people start asking questions. So if you got any questions, just throw them in right now or whenever you want. I can answer your questions and I'll help you guys out as much as I can for the hour or so that I'm here. So yeah, ask questions, guys, learn something. It's free advice. D-Night Menace, let's make some money. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Let's make some money. All right, we're gonna figure out what's been happening on the charts. Oh, guys, I got a 50k Tradify account. I had to just go on to Tradify and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go on the Tradify account because I kind of like the rules. I thought, let me try the Tradify account and let's make some money from the Tradify account. Mia in the house. How you doing, Mia? Guys, remember, this is not financial advice, yeah? This is just me helping people learn how to trade because there's a lot of people out there that don't have the slightest clue and just keep getting scammed. So we're here to help the people not get scammed. You understand what I'm talking about? Yeah. All right, let's have a look. Top-down analysis. Let's remove this for now because we don't need that. We're not entering a trade instantly right now because there's nothing going on in the market. Leroy in the house, Christian in the house, Shani in the house. Oh my God, people are joining up. This is absolutely brilliant. Finally. Morning, brother. Leroy, I wasn't going to come on this morning, but then I thought to myself, I woke up, I dropped my son off school. Oh yeah, kids are going to have holidays. I thought to myself, you know what? London session, man. It's taken 2-3 months and we're growing. I thought, I can't leave everyone in the London session. Can't just leave everyone, pack it up and then just go to nighttime power hour, 8 p.m. GMT, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We can't do that. We need to stay with our people. D, yes lad, you make 10k yesterday from trading. No, D, I didn't make 10k. No, I wish I made 10k yesterday though. Forehand, yo Leroy, yo Christian, morning. You think this is bullish or a short day? Christian, why don't you analyze the markets with me and let's decide together if it's a bullish day today. All right, so let's go over to the 4-hour time frame. God damn, look at that. We got to make this make sense. Yeah, you can't just like open up. Let's remove some stuff. Let's remove some drawings. Let's take the noise out of the way. Remove that. Boom. All right, we've pushed up to the upside. Okay, so on the 4 hours, it's kind of showing that we are pushing up. We're waiting for a nice retracement, but the overall trend is just wavy up and down. But on the 4 hour, it doesn't matter. On the 4 hour, we're just looking for direction. D, how much you make yesterday? Aki from trading. I am new and want to start making big money. Bro, this is the problem about trading. Social media is giving it such a kind of fake. It's just fake. They're just showing fake lifestyle. It's like you can learn and you can make big money. There's not nothing to say that you can't make big money. You can make massive money in trading, yeah, but you have to learn it first, and then until you don't learn it, you're going to be losing money. So you have to be prepared to lose a lot of money in order to start making a lot of money. That's just how trading is, and that's the truth about trading, and that's what they don't tell you. They show you the fake lifestyle, the Lamborghinis, the watches, the cars, the houses, the holidays, moving to Dubai. Yeah, I moved to Dubai. Half of them are selling courses. That's why you have to be very careful. Don't look at the big lifestyle. Look at the long-term goal. So, okay, you could say, okay, in the next couple of months, I'm going to learn technical analysis. I'm going to get that on lockdown. Then we look into the fundamentals. It's gonna take you a year or two. Some people manage to do it in about a year, but it does take a while, man. It does take a long time. People who tell me it take, oh yeah, I mastered trading in 1 month, bullshit. I don't believe that. I don't buy that at all, unless you're just like a genius, man. So D, don't worry, you're in the right place, and we'll guide you as much as we can. And I'm live every single day, 8:30 AM GMT. I ain't going nowhere now. I'm going to stay here every single day, 8:30 AM GMT, and we're going to help as many people as we can for an hour or two every single day, because I'm giving back for free. Sunny, Daz FX, appreciate you sticking with the London session. Respect. No problem, bro. No problem. I'm gonna stay, bro. I can't leave you guys like that. I can't just switch it up like that just because people weren't following or people ain't joining. We're building a community, so as long as we can even get 4, 5, 6 of us, I don't care about the 10, 20,000. They'll come eventually, but let's stick with us, guys. Need to help you guys. Sunny Subramanian, what is bull? Are Indians allowed to trade bull? Yes, you can trade bulls and cows and do whatever you feel like doing, bro. D, how much did you make yesterday? Aki, I'm on a challenge at the moment. I made, let's have a look. Let's have a look how much I made yesterday. See, this is what trading shouldn't be about. Trading shouldn't be about what did you do, how much did you make, blah blah blah. It's not like that. Trading, one day you might lose loads of money, the next day you might make loads of money. 1 month might be a winning month, one month might be a losing month. So you looking at my P&L isn't going to help your education. You understand what I'm saying? And there's a lot of people out there that will sell you the fake lifestyle and tell you they made 50 grand, 60 grand, 70 grand, and then wind you in to selling you a course. So this is where my account is at, and I've just got another take profit trader account. So look, this is a 25k account. This is just one account. You can have 5 of these. So I'm on the final day. I've done my consistency because these are based on consistency. And in the past 4 days, I've done $1,500 because $1,500 was my profit target. So I'm making like $724 daily, roughly like that. But when you times that onto 5 accounts, that you're looking at $3,000, $4,000, $2,000 like that a day. So yeah, that's how it works. But we have got a Tradify right now. How much did you make yesterday? Leroy, Puff, trading is not big money in 1 week. Learn, my friend. Tell me about it, bro. Trading's big money over the long term, but even over the long term, you can lose everything. Some people like top themselves because they just treat trading as gambling. They're just losing all the time. They're not willing to learn. Lol, pop, plop loop. At least this is financial advice. Appreciate you. Well, it's not really financial advice because I'm not telling you what to do and where to place your trades. I'm just telling you the truth, what trading is about. So yeah, thank you. Broken lifetimes. Had 3 micros short at 914, pulled 2 partials, 859. Now I have a runner heading to 688, 914. Let's have a look. 914. Yeah. Now you go into 6. You're looking to go down to about here. Okay, this is a 4 hour, by the way, so I know that's big what you're looking at. Broken lifetimes. That's absolutely brilliant. Okay, let's have a look now. So the 4 hour time frame is not really showing me much. It's not clean enough for me. So right now then what we'll do, we'll go into the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, this is not good price action for a 1 hour. All right, guys, this is very good price action for a 1 hour. This, however, is not good price action for 1 hour. Stuff like this is very good price action for 1 hour. This is like fucking crazy. This is where you know some things just happen major, and that as well, some things just happen. But this is good price action for 1 hour. But when you get shit like this, this is not good. And when you get this is not good. Not for 1 hour price action. All right, guys. So what we're looking at, we're looking for some nice clean movements. So we can't see nothing nice in this 1 hour. This is choppy. This is what you call a choppy market, guys. Okay, broken lifetimes. STDV has really changed how I trade. I'll take in account for people to learn it with confluences. STDV, can you elaborate on that, bro? STDV, I've not looked into STTV myself. I'm not sure what even that is. I follow market structure broken lifetimes if that helps. So let's go on to the 30-minute time frame. And now we can put the trading sessions on because we need to know which time frames we're in, which session. So the blue is Tokyo, orangey is London, and green is New York. Now Asian sessions, just this is not good price action. This is very bad. Standard deviation. Okay, Leroy, there are a few traders that real profit make TikTok make people look crazy, and you think that you can make 10k in a week. Tell me about it. People think, you know what, there are traders out there, like there's been days where I've made like 3k 4k in a day. But like Bling, she messaged the other day, yesterday she messaged saying she just took a $10,000 payout, but she's been learning for a very long time. She didn't just get a 10, and she ain't even come back online yesterday, and she ain't even come back online today, but I bet she's enjoying her $10,000. So she took out 2 payouts. One were at 9,000 something, and then she took out 7,000 something. So she made about 16.5k in 2 damn payouts, bro. So yes, it can happen, but it won't happen straight away. It'll take time. Learn STDB and OTE with confluences. It's simple to learn for beginners. Yeah, bro, I'm pretty much doing good with my trading game plan. So I probably won't be adding any more in. The optimal trade entry and stuff like that, I use the premium and discounted pricing. I don't really look at, I look at if the price comes into optimal trading, because that's the ICT terms and stuff, or whatever. I think it is ICT terms, but yeah, I do look into it. But I don't knock anybody's strategies or nothing like that, because I know everybody's strategies, they do work. Like different styles of trading, they do work. Otherwise you wouldn't have all these people out there that are making ridiculous amount of money. It just depends like how long and how much time you spend on the charts, mastering the art of trading and mastering your style of trading, and then just tweaking it and getting it right, because you ain't going to get it right straight away. It's going to take time. Slowly going to build up. Leroy, she's going the good way. Yeah, she's definitely going the good way. I loved that. Okay, so yeah, I can't really see nothing here that I like. Leroy, last night, you know, Oakley had a trade on. Very nice, man. We're not doing signals, so you're blocked. We don't do signals. Very nice, man. You're not very nice, man. You're selling signals. Bro, is it better to avoid trading futures in New York session on Fridays? No, it doesn't really matter, bro. There's some people, they look at trading and they've back tested all their data and they say, okay, Mondays works, Fridays don't work, Wednesdays work, Thursdays don't work. So they take days off trading. But I've noticed that markets don't work like that. Markets are just slowly tapping into areas of interest. So where you get a premium price, the market will sell off. Where you get a discounted price, the market will go and buy. So whether you're there on a Monday or a Friday, it doesn't matter. It's just a preference thing. Markets can sometimes move absolutely beautifully on some days. So it just depends, really. Leroy say, I know. Leroy, the Oakley versus Rick Royal trade. Bro, trust me, yeah. So this is what happened to that trade yesterday. So if I just quickly go back to yesterday's trade. So that was this area down here because it was... No, it was this area here because it was last night. So it was this exact candle here. But do you know what, Leroy? That trade actually worked out in Oakley's favor, yeah. So if I just go to the 1 minute time frame, I'll just tell you why. Because I remember he mentioned 780, yeah. So I was hoping that was really funny. I was hoping, so he took an entry at 780, so round about here. So 780 was here, yeah. 780 was there, but I know he probably would have come out of that trade. But look how this worked in his favor. It's absolutely crazy how the markets work. So I was saying my trade was here. So I entered here to go for a buy and he entered there to go for a sell. So price went down in his favor but then pushed right back up, almost going back into his entry point again. But I don't know if he did or if he didn't, but if he left his trade overnight, look, it goes down, it pushes all the way back up again. Very close to going back to his entry point, but then look. From that purple line, it's just dumped all the way down. So, had that been like a good risk to reward trade, that actually would have made loads of money in the favor of Oakley. Yusku GPMQ, thank you very much for following, bro. All right, we couldn't see nothing on the 30-minute time frame neither for an entry. So let's have a look at the 15-minute time frame. Wow. All right, this is looking a little bit better. The markets have moved good the past couple of days, you know. They have moved good. Today might be a slower day, but we'll see. There's no entry at the moment. Price has pushed all the way down. Retraced a little bit, not even retraced into a premium area to sell off, is just pushed down again. So I'm not actually looking for anything at the moment until I see a clean setup. That's a 10-minute, that's the 5-minute. Yeah, there's not really a clean entry right now. This is a kind of day where I won't trade. I just got a Tradeify account as well. Looking cheeky, Danny. 7 carats. What's so cheeky, bro? Guys, the markets are really moving shit. So if you want to grab yourself a drink or chill, yeah, grab yourself a drink and chill. If you need a shit, go for a shit. You don't want to take a shit when the trade comes, because that will be a very expensive shit that you will lose money on. So if you need to do anything, do it now, lads and ladies. Let's see. So That's FX, well said. So do you know what, yeah, when you go on live, if you like waste time early on in the live, then TikTok stops pushing your lives out. That's what I've noticed. So today I didn't waste time putting on anything or like a loading up screen or anything like that. I just came straight into the live and just put that financial advice thing at the bottom. I thought I couldn't be arsed with everything else. Leroy, I'm also in relax mode. I got my target, so no stress. Yeah, that's it, man. Once you get your targets, you're not stressed. But look at this, Leroy. Boom. Fresh account there. 50k. I've got a funded one in the chamber, bro. I got a funded account. Take profit trader. Nicely. Passed all this week. Passed nicely. Now I've got another one. And now, this morning, because we've been talking about Traderify a lot, this morning I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get a Traderify account. I just got one. Yeah, man. Who's this? Vanny Bunny. How you doing? Rick Royale in the house. Rick Royale. Rick Royale. We got Rick Royale. I love it, bro. Rick Royale's in the house. Rick Royale, where are you from again? I speak to so many people from all over the world. Vanny Bunny is back in the building. Vanny Bunny, are you learning to trade, or are you actually a good trader already, or you're an advanced trader, or you're a beginner, or you're learning? What part of journey are you in, Vanny Bunny? D Night Menace is back. I see you disappear. I see you disappear, but I see you come back, bro. Mundos 999. How you doing? Mr. Royale. Skype is saying short or long. Skype just not very nice price action at the moment. It's not, it might be good for somebody else, but for me right now, I'm not quite getting, quite not liking the way the market's moving. Like, I can't trade in a chop like this, especially when I can't see nothing on the higher time frames as well. So if I can like correlate my higher time frames all the way down to a lower time frame, get my nice points of interest, and the market's moving nice, then I'll be like, oh, okay, this is my entry. But now I know I can see what I like and I can see what I don't like. If I like it, then I know I'm gonna go for it. But if I don't like it now, I know when to sit out and sit on my hands, because not everybody shouldn't just be trading all the time for no reason. Got you being crap all morning. Tell me about it, Sky. Thinking bias is short though. Yeah. It has been pushing down. Like, look at that. That's all since last night. So we had this move up, but then obviously that they've liked that price at the top, premium price, for it to keep coming down. So we have had a big push down. Very, very bearish. But is it going to continue? And it looks like it. Let's see what's happening here. London session opens not being the greatest. It's just horrible. Sky just followed. Thank you very much, Sky. Oh, damn, guys. Do you know what I didn't do? I always forget. I didn't connect my TikTok. Someone hit the follow button. Like right now, someone hit the follow button. We need that noise. We need that. That's why I wasn't getting the sound when people were following. If someone can just hit the follow button now, we just need to test something. Maybe if you unfollow and follow back, it might not work, but you can try it. But if someone can just hit the follow button right now, I just need to test if the sound is working. See, look, now the likes have started to show up. Yes, I like that. God damn. Come on, guys, hit the follow button. We need some more followers. Look, we're at 40,000. 40,000. I'd love it if it was at 40. We've got 4,053 people. We need another roughly 950 people, and we hit the 5k, and then I'm gonna give a giveaway. Then I'm gonna give someone, if we can get 5,000 followers, I doubt we'll get it right now today, but if we can get it, I'd be loving it if we got it in a week. But then I'll do a giveaway. I'll give away a prop firm account to someone. I'll give away a 50k prop firm account to someone. We'll do a spin the wheel or a race. We'll do a spin the wheel. Now, actually, you could do a race as well. So you get everyone's names and you put it on top of the cars, and then the cars race. And then whoever wins will get the prop firm. 50k prop firm account. If we can get the 5,000 target, that's what we need. So guys, start hitting the follow button. YouTube. Where are you guys on at YouTube? I'm gonna start making long form YouTube videos as well, just to help people with trading. We're gonna cut all the BS, cut all the noise. Fuzzy Duck in the building, yo. Rather unfortunate, blew my qualified 50k and the 50k backup eval. It's okay, bro, it's okay, it happens. You're just gonna have to you know what, a lot of people don't, but obviously once you start getting a bit advanced, a lot of people stop journaling, which is okay. Like, I've kind of stopped journaling now because I know exactly what I'm looking for every single day. It kind of starts getting starts getting stored in your brain, but I should really journal sometimes, or I should go back and look at my journal and look at trades and setups that I like, just to refresh the mind. But Fuzzy Duck, I think the best thing to do when you're new, a lot of people don't, you should journal. Like, journal every single trade, like why I took this trade when it came into this entry. I've got a free trading journal, we can go through it in a second actually, while this is doing whatever it's doing, because I can't really figure out how the market, we know we're bearish. I just can't find my setup in this market at the moment. Fuzzy Duck sounds good. All right, whilst this is playing out, we have got an area of, oh no, yeah, today's just, I think the whole day is going to be like that. I hope not. Let's have a look what's happening in the news actually. We're talking about all of this, but we're not talking about fundamentals. I'll go back to the trading journal in a second, guys, but we need to see the fundamental side of things. We need to figure out what is going on. So I want to load up. Yo, Trump and them guys just drop random news events for no reason, you know. Look, here's another one 7 hours ago. This is a Japan one though, so this shouldn't really affect. Maybe it can. Japan finance minister Katsuyama, gradual interest rate raises. Oh no, their interest rate, yeah, so that can affect something as well. Okay, so let's have a look at what's happening with the economic hand. So this is a fundamental, guys. This is the news event. So FXStreet.com and ForexFactory.com. I check both because sometimes one will show a red folder on, but the other one won't. So I always look at both just to make sure, because prop firms like to catch you out and blow your fucking accounts and then deny payouts, and we don't want to get payouts denied. We want to make sure we get in our payouts. All right, so let's have a look. 1:30 p.m. net change in employment. So that's Canadian news, but it still can have some movement in the market. And then you've got unemployment rate. That's Canadian as well, but it still can have a slight movement in the market. So just be careful around 1:30 p.m. Otherwise, there's no other news. Let's have a look. Even Monday, there's no news Monday. Oh my god, no news Tuesday, maybe later on in the afternoon maybe, but yeah. So let's look at today only. So right now, just 1:30 p.m. if we go on to forexfactory.com, unemployment change and unemployment rate at 1:30 p.m. so it's two red folders it's showing at 1:30 p.m. so all you have to do is watch out for the 1:30 p.m. news, guys, if you're trading prop firms. And then if you're trading your personal capital, just make sure, like, because you can trade whenever you want, there's no rules, but don't oversize, over leverage, below your accounts. As always, use a stop loss and don't risk too much. Protect your capital at all times. Yeah, so the markets are doing some weird shit right now, so we're just going to let it carry on doing weird shit. We don't enter into the market when the markets are doing weird shit. We enter into the markets when we see a setup, and if you don't see the setup, you don't enter into the trade. Simple as that, guys. AI brain rock content. Before trading, I used to drive a car to work. Now I take a pedal. Oh wait, I love that. I love that, bro. That is the best comment I've ever had. I thought it was gonna be a spammy message, yeah. I thought it was gonna be a spammy message because it said AI brain rot. AI brain rot. Hit the follow button. You need to follow us. We need to be in contact, bro. That is like the funniest comment I've ever received on my page. A lot of you might get it. A lot of you might think, oh no, that's not even funny at all. But I'm telling you, he said, before trading, I used to drive a car to work. Now I pedal. Now I use a pedal bike. Thank you very much for following. Absolutely brilliant. AI brain rot. AI brain rot. Where are you from? What part of the world are you from? That's such a great message. I love that. AI brain rot. Is that like serious? Is that a joke? Or are you telling us the truth? Mr. Ethan, you're blocked. We don't do signals here. I'm trying to like help my people, not scam my people. I'm from London, bro. Oh, nice one. Nice one. That's absolutely brilliant. So you're a full-time trader or you work, or you're in a full-time job, or you're learning, or you're an advanced trader. Yeah. We got Lily Lord, JB, Rick Royale, Sunbeats Beauty Spa, Farhad, Mia, username 123456, Fuzzy Duck in the building, Daz FX, Leroy, Trader Futures, and Day Trader. Yeah, man, today's been a lot better, like picking up. So I kind of figured out why I was dropping off and losing people. So okay, we're gonna continue it. We're gonna keep everyone. Mr. Ethan, you damn fool, stop sending signals. AI brain rot. Are you a full-time trader, or are you in a full-time job and learning trading at the moment? So we've had this nice little push up from here, but you don't know if that push up is a retracement, because let's have a look on the 2 minute, on the 3 minute. You don't want it to be just like tapping into this area and then just continue pushing down. 2 minute looks exactly the same. That's a 3 minute. This is a 2 minute. So there's, you don't want it to tap into this area and just keep pushing down, because we are bearish. Remember, follow the trend, guys. Don't go against the trend. Just follow the trend, but make sure you're in a nice setup so you know, okay, this is where the market's going. Then take your entries. 3 minute, 5 minute. Let's have a look. 5 minute. Yeah, I just don't like the way it's moving at the moment. Still not good, not good. Connected to YouTube chat successfully after all this time. What are you talking about? Fuzzy Duck, what symbol is this chart? This is MNQ, micro Nasdaqs. Oh yeah, Fuzzy Duck, another thing. Do you do MNQ? Do you do micros or do you do minis? Are you trading just a Nasdaq contract, or what are you trading? What symbols, pairs? Not pairs as in the fruit pears, but like symbol, the instrument, shall I say? What instrument are you trading? Yes, let's push. Guys, let's share the live. Share the live, hit the like, hit the follow if you ain't following already, but share. Let's push this live out. I only do gold, MGC, micro golds. Okay, cool. So we have a look at how gold is moving then, guys. So if we go to the MGC, yeah, gold is not moving too bad, but you have to find a nice setup. There's not a nice clean setup showing at the moment. So what I'll say, I'm looking for a nice setup, guys. I'm looking for price action like this. Yeah, a nice setup. And the price comes into your point of interest, and then you can capitalize on base hits like this. You don't need to hold a trade for fucking 5-6 hours where you don't know what direction the damn trade's going in with such a big fat huge massive stop loss. Yeah, you just need something more. So like, let me show you how you could have made money on this trade. This is a 5 minute chart. Yeah, you've had price go up, and there's not really a point of interest on that area down there, but there was a point of interest down here. So price pushed all the way up there, so ICT guys will call this the OT, optimal trade entry, blah blah blah, all the rest of it. But this is 5 minutes, yeah. So let's have a look at, let's go on the 15 minute. Let's mark out on the 15 minute. So here we are. I'll tell you what we look for. This is why you have to wait patiently for a setup. It's not just gonna come. So here, so this is where we are on the 15 minute, yeah. Price pushed up, retraced back down. It's left this massive imbalance here. This is where you're looking for price to tap into and continue in your direction. So now we've seen that on the 5 minute. Let's have a look at what it looked like on the 1 minute. 1 minute might be choppy, so I think 5 minute might have been a cleaner entry. Oh no, 1 minute wasn't too bad actually. Let's have a look at the 2 minute. Yeah, I wouldn't take it on the 2 minute. Possibly 3 minute. Let's have a look. No, 3 minute don't look nice. Have a look at the 5 minute again. Yeah, 5 minutes pretty decent. So imagine, so if you just wanted to go for a base hit, not like a big massive move, you could still make money on these base hits. So this is not as clean price action as I'd like, but just say you got price here, you got 8 micros, yeah, you can put your, just say you wanted to enter here, so that was like the bottom of the imbalance, and you got your stop loss there. So just say like this is just roughly showing you, yeah, I'm not like, we need to put less contract size on, so just say 6. So okay, just say now you're risking $280. So this orange area here is your stop loss. So just say you're risking $280 and you just wanted to go for like base hits. Yeah, this still comes under day trading. This isn't scalping, still comes under day trading, and you wanted to target this area here, or you may want to go a bit less because you're thinking it might not reach that far. So up until this green area here is your take profit. Now look, just that much of the move was still $1,000, even if you don't want to run it up to the top. You could have it till there. You could even have it till there, 600. You could have it till there, 780. You could still make money, capitalize on these moves. So that's why I always say to everybody, you need to wait for price to come into your area, and you need to wait for a proper A+ setup before you take an entry. Just don't go for any type of setup. You need a nice one. Come up trading, hindsight bias, that's an incomplete move. Yes, I know that I was talking about base hits. I wasn't talking about a complete move. I was talking about base hits. A complete move is, if you go on my TikTok video from yesterday or the day before, I think yesterday or the day before I uploaded that, when Trump did the Trump dump, that was a complete move, and that was absolutely massive. So if you go back and have a look at that video, that shows I did that trading live time. So it was live trading, and that was like from the bottom all the way to the top. It's absolutely amazing. If you go back and check that out. I was just talking about a base hit there, come up trading. Daz FX, bro, do you teach your strategy on YouTube? Yeah, bro. It's just, my strategy is just higher time frame analysis. So I look at the higher time frames, mark out my points of interest. When price taps into the points of interest, I just scale into the lower time frames. Look for all the good stuff, your change of characters, breaker structures, retracement. Look for an imbalance and take an entry. Come up trading, okay, I understand. How long you been trading, come up trading? How long you been trading for, bro? And what do you think of the markets today? Some people like trading this price action. Some people can actually trade it. Some people actually find a setup. But for me, when it's like this, I kind of like avoid the markets. I try not to enter in. 5 years, wow. So you got some experience under your belt, bro. Very, very good. Yeah, it's been very bearish, especially over the eve last night. Been very bearish. Look at that, horrible. Would be nice if you could like get nice price action while it was bearish, but there's no nice price action. Let's see if we get a follow through. It's choppy bearish. Yeah, it's very choppy bearish. It might be a day where I just sit on my hands and not take any trades. It might be one of them days. We've had some, do you know what? People have said the markets are shit, the price action's been shit, the past couple of months have been shit. July is always known to have like shit price action or whatever it is, yeah, but I've felt as if price action's been absolutely brilliant. Like there's always a setup that you could have like taken for the past 6 months. There's always a setup that's showed up. It's never been like where price is absolutely shit. So okay, some days you may have to just sit on your hands, but some days price action has been so good, like you've been able to catch a setup. Like you don't need to trade every single day, as long as like even out of 20 trading days, even if you missed 10 trading days because price actions choppy like this and you couldn't find a trade, even if you caught 10 trades in the month, that 10 days in the month would still make you a fucking profitable trader. So out of those 10 trades, even if you lost 5 trades and you won 5 trades, you'd still be a profitable trader, because you'd cut your losers and you let the winners run. And then if you're copy trading across 4, 5, 6 accounts, maybe more, then you'd make even more money. So let's have a look if it's going to respect this area down here. Let's see what it does. Come up trading saying absolutely. J Trades, good morning gang, good morning J Trades. What do you think of the price action right now, J Trades? It's been absolutely fucking shit. I want to see if this area gets respected here. It's been bearish, but got myself a Traderify account. Look, 50k Traderify account. I'm gonna take it easy. I've got Take Profit Trader in the chamber, Jay. I've got one funded account saved now. It's going to be live on Monday because obviously today's a consistency day. I've done like a little $1 trade on there just to show Take Profit Trader I'm consistent. I've done my 5 days and boom, Monday we'll be making the monies. But you'll only make your monies if you sit on your hands and you don't take a trade. If there's no trade showing. If there's a trade showing, by all means go for it. If it doesn't show, don't go for it. Let's have a look if this area, let's have a look what this area is doing. Let's have a look at the higher time frame, a minute. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute. Okay, let's see what this area is doing. First trade was yesterday, a buy after a dump, smash take profit but capped at 200 a day on FXify. $200 a day on FXify. How does a Sham? My TP is at 618. Let's have a look, Sham. La 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 la. God damn. Oh my god. So yeah, if you've actually got a trade and you're gonna hold it till here, Nazra Mullah, you, I can't swear at you because TikTok has penalized me so much for the past few days. Well, the past 2 weeks, they don't push my live out and I'm not getting my live ruined just because of you. Yeah, that'd be crazy, bro. If you can hold it to 618. Where did you take your entry, bro? Where's he gone? Sham, where did you take your entry? If your take profits at 618, where did you take your entry? I'd love to know. J Trades first trade was yesterday, $200 on FXify. This Nazram guys just messed up my chat. J Trades eval is 1,000 profit over 5 trading days, 10 days minimum. Oh yeah, do you know what? I actually looked at FXify one day and their website just put me off, and then I never I never ended up actually trading with the guys because the website was just annoying. You came in at 868, wicked. 2 micros. Oh, okay. I entered a short. It's good. You're managing risk well, Sham, it looks like. I entered a short here on my evaluation account, 29791. Oh, wicked. Should have did way more contracts though. No, it's good, Sham. It's good. Sometimes it's good to just, if you're not 100% certain about the market, like we can say we're just dumping, but it keeps pumping as well at the same time, like this. So it goes down and then it goes down and then it goes back up again, then it comes down, but it's not clean price action. You see what I'm saying? It's very like shitty. Let's see if this area here, this big push down, see if that gets respected or disrespected and price keeps going up for a little while. Let's have a look. Should have did way more cons out. Yeah, it happens. Thank you very much, Sham. Thank you very much for following, bro. Sham, I'm in so much drawdown, so I'm taking it slow. Best way. That's the best way to learn as well. Take it slow and easy. The problem that we have, we get greedy and we buy too much fucking prop firms and blow them. And then even when we get to the funded stage, we're so eager and greedy that when we're funded, that we just trade the funded account like we traded the challenge account. And then we just want to make money so fast that even if we see $5 in red, in minus, we'll just oversize, over leverage just to make that go green as well. And then trying to make that go green, we fucking go into the red and then blow them accounts. So you have to be very careful. So sizing down is not a bad thing, Sham. Sizing down is so good, and it just shows that you're respecting trading. It's not clean at all, man. No, it's not clean, bro. Just follow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, so I think a lot of us don't have the problem of not knowing how to trade or when to take a setup. A lot of us have the problem of just being greedy. We can't respect the fact that, okay, my strategy was, my game plan's right. This, I'm not talking about this trade here, but I'm just talking about in general. Like price come into my area, tapped into my area. This is the trade I would take for it to go into a buy or a sell. Price went against me and tapped me out, and I'm out of that trade. I'm in a loss. I took my loss for the day. The problem we have, we won't respect that. Okay, we followed our game plan and took a loss, so that's actually a good trade. We will do the opposite. We will disrespect it and we'll trade not our game plan. We'll force trade, revenge trade, fear of missing out, great entries that are not even there, oversize, getting to the green, and we'll respect it thinking, okay, that's a good trade and I made money now, so I'm in the green now, I'm good. But that creates bad habits, and that's what makes you keep on losing. You got to get out of that. We don't want to do that. Sham, I thought 29751 was resistance, but geez. What strategy are you trading, Sham? What is your strategy? Rick Royale, I react to what I see on the 1 minute typically, but I see us still being bullish in my New York week push down. Okay, I get what you're saying, Rick Royale. I understand. Nice one. Rick Royale, yesterday evening was a nice live, wasn't it? I enjoyed myself. It was good. Sham, I've blown so many accounts by sizing too much. I'm being greedy. I understand 1000%. That is just the biggest problem. I use supply and demand and key levels. Oh, okay. Supply, demand. So, do you know when you're saying supply and demand, do you use supply and demand as in, do you use the order blocks for supply and demand as well? Or is it just, you see that order block type of thing, and then you see that big massive push to the up to the downside, and below that you use that as a supply and demand? And key levels are the one, bro. Rick Royale, yes sir, the mornings for me. Yeah, tell me about it. I like the mornings. Well, I'm not going nowhere. I did say I was going to change it up, and I'm going to just do the London session, New York session, then I moved to the evening session. I did one evening session. Yes, I was up. F this. Thank you very much. Oh my god, Sierra, where have you been, bro? Sierra, where the hell have you been? I thought one day you hit so many likes, yeah, that I got like 50,000 likes from you, and I thought Sierra's finger's gone, bro. I know you wasn't using an automatic tapper. I knew your finger was gone, bro. I was like, this guy, he never showed up for 2 months. He's disappeared. He's gone. He broke his finger tapping likes. Sham just zones. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. That's the biggest problem I had. So I know I'm not the only one in that scenario. I know there's other people out there that are just doing exactly the same, and I know exactly why it happens, because I came from a background I was always in IT, so don't get me wrong, I wasn't really a gambler, even though I made a lot of money from gambling in roulette, because I've come from a gambling background. I understand the game. I understood that this is the reason why everyone's losing, because prop firms have designed it like a casino. So basically prop firms are casinos, but for traders. That's all it is. And you got to learn how to play the game. If you learn to play that game and you get it right, you can beat the casino. You just got to learn how to beat the casino. Because it's just rules, and rules are designed to make us blow our accounts. So rules are designed to make us lose. Where in the UK are you? I'm from East Midlands, bro. Where are you, Fuzzy Duck? Where in the UK are you from? Sham says, but sometimes I got faked out, and so I added key levels, and it helps a lot. Yeah, it does. Key levels do help, especially from flipping fake outs. Yes, Fuzzy Duck from London. Fuzzy Duck, we're gonna if Leroy comes to London, like he's saying at some point, if we all have a meet up in London just for like a little quick drink or something, I'll give you a shout. If you're in London area, then you could probably join us and meet us up for a bit. It'll be nice to get together with a couple of the guys and girls from trading. Sham, I'm in computer and engineering, trying to learn more finance stuff to make an algo for trading. You can try it. You can try making an algo. So yeah, look, this area here is getting disrespected. It's not liking the area. And now this area here, let me remove this. If this continues pushing, let's see if this area gets completely disrespected. If it just pushes down, break structure to the downside big time, then you know there's something here for you to take a sell from. Yeah, man, sounds good. Definitely sounds good. Das FX, I'm from Essex. Let's meet soon for a drink in London. Yes, we can do Das FX. We can definitely. If we end up planning it, we can get a couple of guys together and we'll get J Trades out, because I know J Trades likes to have a good drink as well. I'm not a drinker no more, so I just like relax and chill, but I still know how to have a good time. I'll just hobble along with my bad leg. Sham, low-key want to add one more contract. Sham, you gotta be very careful. It's not moving good right now. The markets are not moving right now. You got to be very careful. You don't want to add one more contract and then the price just definitely starts going against you. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with my plan. Don't mind me. Bro, it happens. It happens. Where are you from, Sham? Or did I ask you that question already? Or have I asked that question 100 times to everyone? No, but I've had people from Australia here today. I've had New York. They're not even sleeping. Visconin or something like that. People from the States all over. We've had China. Got someone from Boston. It's so late here. See, look, Boston. We got Boston in the house. What time is it there? That's what I'm telling you guys. I was like, you Americans and all that. All the people from around the States, they're not even... I've got half of them here. Even they're not even sleeping, bro. So if I say, so I had to put it in Boston, so like whereabouts you are in the States. So is it right? Massachusetts. I can't say Massachusetts. Is that how you say it? Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Northern Eastern United States. Absolutely brilliant. Jamaican rum punch in the house. Jamaican rum punch. Do you actually make cocktails? Oh, we got a Carlos. Carlos, where you from, bro? Jamaican rum punch. Do you actually make these cocktails? Mia, are you actually trading right now? It's so late at 4:33 a.m. God damn. Do you love the London session, bro? Eastern Standard, right? Yep. Eastern Standard, Jay. Sham, I love Asian and London. Okay. I thought I wasn't gonna actually read that London bit out then. I thought you saw it's that I love Asian. But it screws with me because I don't be up for New York session, lol, and that's the volume. Yes, the volume is in New York session, but what you have to do is you just got to downsize on the contracts, because if you oversize on the contracts, you're definitely going to be bombing accounts out. Leroy's, I'd say it again. Say what again? Massachusetts. Damn, that must be annoying. London is so elite with the times. Yo, tell me about it, man. London is like UK GMT time. Oh, it's good. It's good to catch entries in every single session. That's the only good thing about being here. And the worst thing about being here is the taxes. So once you do make it, yo, Oakley, oh my God, bro. Get in Asian session open, wake up for London, open New York, open 2:30 p.m. Yeah, tell me about it, Jay. Oakley 2005, making money now. Oakley, how much profits are you in? Sham, lol, thoughts. Amantiza, thoughts. We're just we're chopping, we're dumping and chopping right now, so I'm not quite sure what's actually going on. It keeps rejecting 760, 740, bro. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, it might just be moving sideways for a little bit and then just continue dropping again. I don't know. Oakley 600s. Oakley, I need to speak to you, bro. I need to tell you something. I'm on a buy 29795. Wow. Sierra, oh my God. Sierra, last time we spoke, every time you were scalping, you were smashing it. Let's see where your trade plays out. J Trade saying, ka-ching, Sham, Oakley 12, that's great entry. Oakley, I'll keep steadily climbing down. Yes, Oakley, you do that. Oakley, yes, do you remember yesterday when I put that buy on? Well, it wasn't a buy, it was just a demo buy, but you had your money on the sell. 0 signals, you got to go because we don't do signals. 0 signals. Why do I need to show my account to you? Who the fuck are you? You've not even been here on this account for ages. Why do I need to show you my account? And I'm not selling you nothing. You're not buying nothing off me. So why do I need to show you my account, you fool? I'm gonna start cussing people out, you know, and just like Oakley, back to Oakley. You're more important than that idiot. Yeah, look, listen. Last night, here. So we were here, yeah? No, sorry, that's wrong. We were here. Yeah. So then, if I go onto the 1 minute time frame now, you entered at 780. Oh no, was it 980? What? Was it 980? Yes, 980. That's it, 980. You entered at 980. Yeah, around here. So this was 980. I was looking at your trade, bro. I was looking at your damn trade yesterday, and I was like, I put on a buy here. The price actually pushed all the way back up, and I was like, let me go against Oakley, but mine was on a demo and yours was on live money. It went right close to coming to your entry, and me and Leroy last night, because you left, we didn't know where you went, so you left the chat, so we were like, Oakley's out of the trade. But then I was thinking, is he gonna be out because he got scared that he's gonna get stopped out, or is he just gonna close his trade early? And then price went down again into your favor, but then price went right back up again down here, and I was like, nah. Then I was thinking, nah, he's probably shit himself, and he's probably closed a trade. This morning you've come back and said you've left your trade open. That's crazy, because it went all the way down overnight. It pushed all the way back up again, almost close to your area of entry, and then since then it's just dumped like crazy. I can't believe you're still in that trade, bro. That's crazy. NQ Alex, thank you very much for following. Sorry, bro. The position is disgustingly precise. Tell me about it. Precise is not even the word, bro. Lean, I'm like 200 in drawdown before popping my account. How can I bounce back from that? I'm like 200 in drawdown. Oh, so you got 200 left to before you blow your account. You can bounce back from it, but it's only if you go for that one A+ setup, and it's only if the market respects that area where your A+ setup is. Then, because no matter how good your setups are, the markets can still go against you. So yeah, still a risk, but you're gonna have to trade that account. So the last $200 that you get, I'd put it on a best A+ trade setup that shows up, and just go for that setup and then see if it goes into your favor. That's all you can do. That's the only thing you can do. Or you can oversize, over leverage, and it can fucking pop off in 1 second. But it's up to you. Sham, bro, what's your top? Oakley is way above 980, man. Oakley, have you bought your price into break even, or at least into profits? It's killing it overnight. That's crazy. J Trades, wish me luck. Full porting the Lucid Eval. Oh my god, bro. Do you know, are you full porting the whole account with just one trade? We wish you luck, bro. We wish you all the success. Fucking smash it. And then screenshot it and put it into the Discord if you're in the Discord. Come join the Discord. Guys, I totally forgot, and I keep forgetting. Join the Discord, guys. The Discord is for free. I nearly copy and pasted my password into the chat. You'd have been trading on my prop firm account, bro. All right, let me just get you my Discord link, guys. Now that we've got quite a few of you here, I would like to introduce you to my Discord. Join the Discord free. Let's put free in capital letters because it's free. Yeah, we're not going to charge you nothing. It's for free. Let's copy that. So guys, join the Discord for free. I'll put the link in the chat. Click on the link and join the Discord. Also, you can click on the link in the bio in TikTok and join the Discord that way. Or if you're on YouTube, click on the link in the description and join the Discord. We need you guys to join the Discord. We've got we're getting few people there with payouts already. We've got 3 people who joined my live a couple of months ago. 3 people already on payouts. Oh my god, Keo was never getting any payouts, and I'm sure he's at his second payout now. We've got 2 people on the second payouts. We've got Bling. She's made 2 payouts, and our first payout was 7,600. So second payout's 9,000, and she's put the proof in the Discord. Oh my god. So guys, join the Discord. The Discord's for free. Let's have a look. J Trades, wish me luck. Sham J Trades. STFU, would you say it's long or short? I don't know right now. I did say let's have a look at what's happening in this area here, but price is just chopping around in this area. We want to see, is this area going to get completely disrespected and price just bombs it down, or we're gonna start having some sort of move up to the upside, but just a choppy day. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out myself. Amantiza, shorts from here, I'm in. Amantiza, where are you taking your short? Have you taken your short right now? 782 area. Oakley, it's in profit now. Well done, Oakley. Well done, Oakley. Well done. Respect, bro. You held it. Do you know, I would have closed that trade before I went sleep. I would have closed that trade before I went sleep, bro. I didn't like the price action, but I don't know what made you hold it down, man. You held it down. That's brilliant. Respect, man. Sham giving love hearts. No, that's Oakley giving love hearts to Sham. No TP yet. J Trades tried yesterday but got hit for max loss. So better bang or I'm cooked. Jay, I'm expecting you to get a payout in, because right now you're just going through this journey of trading, but you got it. You've picked it up fast. You understand rules. You know what rules are. I want you to get payouts next month, bro. I'm not even lying to you. I want you to trade properly. Like, okay, do your fun stuff, like I'm gonna full port this, I'm gonna do that, but by end of next month I want you to be very close, if not taken, but very close to a payout stage. And then I want you to put it in our Discord and show everybody, fucking our Jay's got payout, and he's gonna consistently keep making payouts. Okay, not like you're gonna just take one payout and then fucking oversize, blow all the other accounts as well, but just consistently stay level-headed. Just keep getting your base hits or home runs or whatever, and then just keep taking payouts. Losses are a part of the game. The losses are what play with your emotions and psychology and make you start oversizing, over leveraging, and blowing accounts. So make sure you slowly just go for it. Yeah. Less trades equals more. 100%. Oakley, you are 100% right there. Do crazy research for every single position. Take 3 a week max. Wow. Oakley saying, Danny, gold is about to pump. Shall we have a look? Let's have a look at the higher time frame. Okay, we've had some reaction from this area already, but it can pump, but because it's very strong bearish, can also come into these it can come into any of these areas here, because this area has already been mitigated. But that's not to say they can't pump. It can pump, don't get me wrong, because we've had a massive move there, but it's that area there is just mitigated at the moment. Let's see what happens. It might go a little bit lower, just a little bit lower down to this area here. Let's have a look when it goes into this area here. I'll put a little I'll draw a horizontal line there, so that got areas marked out. Let's see what happens when gold goes into this area down here. Let's go back onto the 1 minute. Let's see what's happening with MNQ. It's that area. It's being respected at the moment, but how long for? They're gonna go there and just dump. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, there. We need this area to be broken past. This area gets broken past, then it may be something decent there. But if this area gets respected, it's a very high chance that this will go down. But well, let's see what happens here. Always hold these overnight. Carlos, I'm in shorts. 29845. Oh, wicked, bro. 298. So you're in from here, short from here. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. If I actually entered a trade here, I would have got in like it would have been like a scalp, but not a scalp because you're holding it for a longer time. So I would have made some decent profits. I would have got a nice 1 to 2 here. It's okay. I will always hold overnight. I'm in teaser shorts. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just watching the markets myself. It's very choppy for me to enter into trade, but I know areas that I'm looking at. J Trades, yeah, Lucid. I'm doing what's JUJ, bro? But FXify, I'm gonna do FXify, I'm gonna do slowly and steady. Oh, nice one. J trades 500 up on FXify, so a few more days, 200 wins would be good. Yes, yes, yes. Sierra holding green. I need it to up on 29870 to pass my account. It's 29870 to pass my account. Okay, so you're looking for price to run up, yeah? Lean saying full port the short on gold. We'll have a look at gold in a minute. Hopefully the trend is up a little, then down. Yeah, it's very shitty price action. Zero, anyone else in longs here? Yeah, there's quite a few people in longs right now. Sierra, if it passes 29803, it's going up. Let's have a look. 29803. Yeah, so I know what you're looking at. You're looking at if it breaks this area here. If you can break this structure here, then you're going to say, okay, it's change of character. Then we'll get some sort of retracement and a big push. But yeah, I can see what you're looking at. Sierra, I love it. And you've been gone away for so long. I didn't like that. You disappeared, bro. We missed you because when I started doing my lives and you turned up, I was taking a few losses on my lives, but yours were hitting profit every single time on that one day, and I was getting fucking angry. And then Sierra disappeared, and I was like, damn, this guy's gone. But he was good for a community. You were good for us, bro. Don't do disappearing acts on us again, all right? Trade juju like voodoo. Oh, juju. Okay. Use that slang when you're doing some crazy shit, basically. Yeah, he's like this. He's put on a buy, and then he's blowing the screen. Price go up, go up, go up. He's doing this. Praying to God. Please, God, please, God, please, God. You open your eyes and your account's blown. Zuriel still holding from 29767 right now. Wow. You know what? It's absolutely crazy because we've got different people. Everybody's doing different shit. Just because I'm looking at something, I'm loving. This is what I like. I like how everybody sticks to their game plan and is taking their own trades. They're not getting influenced by what I'm looking at and what I'm trading. So just say I'm looking for a buy maybe around about this area here. Everybody's still sitting in their cells and waiting for, we are very bearish, so everybody's sitting in cells waiting for price to dump. Some people are buying, some people are selling, and some people are just sitting on their hands like me. But it's nice to see what everybody is doing and everybody's sticking to their game plans, and I absolutely love it. I'm a teaser. I'm in shorts. STFU in shorts. I'm sure. Oh yikes, says Suriel. Doesn't matter. Do you know when you get big spikes like this, sometimes they can be dangerous. Sometimes. It doesn't always mean that, okay, price is going up. Sometimes it can be just a push up to catch a little bit of liquidity and return. So when you're in trading, you got to look at all aspects of what's going on. So that's why sometimes even if you got an A+ setup, the market still can go against you. But don't be disheartened by that, because you should be happy about the trade that you followed your rules on and you lost, than a trade that you broke your rules on and won. Remember that. That's number one thing that you guys all need to remember. Guys, there's quite a lot of you here right now, so make sure you join the Discord. The Discord is free. The link is in the chat right now. Link is in description on YouTube if you're watching us on YouTube, and the link is on TikTok if you're watching us on TikTok. The link is in the bio, but also the link is in the chat. I'm in short since 865. You're going to be very happy now. Looking to sell a little above 803. Sierra, you see, is going up. Sierra saying, you see, look, Sierra is fucking going down now. Sierra saying, thank you. I'm at 767 and TP is right below 803. Sierra, oh my god, bro. Oakley says, oh my god, bro. Paul Woodcock, you okay, lad? Yes, Paul Woodcock, I'm good, bro. How you doing? How you doing, Paul Woodcock? The live's doing absolutely amazing today. I'm loving it. So this is what I was saying to you guys. I was like, look, there's this area here. You got to watch out for this area here. Even though price does push up like this fast, it doesn't always mean it's going up and staying up. It can do that. It can fucking just switch anytime. So you just need to be careful. If you can't see a trade, don't take the trade. Always have your key levels set. Make sure you're entering from the right area. Don't like wait for price to come here and then take a buy here and then automatically goes into drawdown, stops you out. Wait for price to retrace, come down into a point of interest, then take your buy or sell, and then wait for price to go up or down wherever you want. But always remember, wait for the pullbacks, wait for price to come back into a nice area to enter. Sham got his glasses on. Sham's like, yeah. Don't worry. Sierra might still be in the game yet. We don't know. We don't know. Paul Woodcock, Sand, did you go on MT last night? Bro, I was on till about, I went on about 10 o'clock. And I didn't see him go live. So I don't know what time he went live. I don't know what time he does his lives. I'm in Tesla. I need you to exit my, I need to exit my trade. I've got no clue what price is doing right now. See, that's the thing. If price is choppy and you don't understand what price is doing, the best thing sometimes to do is sit out of the trade. If you're in the trade already, then manage your trade. You need to manage your trade. Either if you know it's going very bad, you need to close, cut the losses. If you know it's going in your favor, then just manage it with the stop loss. Keep trading your stop loss, just slowly. Price. So whoever took a little scalp here would have been all right. Anybody who took a little scalp here would have been good. But only like a scalp style, not like full on day trading. That would have been a bit difficult because price is choppy right now. It's horrible. Unless you got like a massive stop loss. Clever, what strategy do you use? Clever or Cleaver, I just use higher time frame analysis. Top down analysis, mark out points of interest, wait for price to tap into the points of interest, drop down to lower time frame and bang, entry. Damn, going back down, but I'm holding. Bought my stop loss up to 763. That's from Zuriel. Jay just made 150 off the uptrend, not too bad. They were holding strong from 767. Jay, good job, mate. Leroy saying good job. Null bid, long term or short term? Don't know, bro. Price is choppy. It can do anything right now. I'm not liking, you know what, I'll tell you guys. 1 second, let me just finish the rest of the messages. Oakley, this will bleed lower slowly. Yeah, it probably is, bro. J Trades, apparently Chinese stock market is dumping hard. They're aggressively dumping US treasuries. Yeah, so if you go on to if you go on Forex Factory, it's the first red folder that's come up from 7 hours ago. Gradual interest rate rises. So there's like, they've got some shit going on as well. Aggressively dumping US treasuries to mitigate. Yeah, Sierra is making you believe it's going down, but it's time to go up. Sierra's got his I don't know how to say it. I've lost for words right now. Sierra's got his bias set. He's got his target set. Sierra's gonna wait for this area to get respected, innit? But let's see, where's your stop loss at, Sierra? Zuriel, Sierra, yeah, I'm the same way right now. Sham, I hear the birds chirping. Kaylin just followed. Oh, Kaylin, thank you very much for following. Sorry, I'm not actually getting the sounds. I don't know why it's not telling me that people are following. Oh my god, I didn't even look how many people. There's 40 people on right now. Sorry, guys. Everybody hit the follow. Make sure you join the Discord as well. I'll put the Discord link in the chat. The Discord is for free. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so like in this, watching everyone doing their trades. Quite excited. I'm teaser. Yeah, I'm shorting because of the news. Just watch Sierra. AL at Sierra. Even AL 74288. AL's laughing. AL's like, Sierra, what, man? Just follow Clever. Thank you very much, Clever, for following. Thank you very much, guys. Danny, you need Oakley. Danny, you read the chat kind of slow. Just genuine feedback, bro. I'm trying to look at the markets as well, bro. If I keep looking at the chat, bro. Oh, 20 roses from Sham. Thank you very much, Sham, for the 20 roses. Oakley, let me just show you what I'm looking at. Let me see if you can see this. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. So if I go here, so yeah, I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god, you definitely can't see that. This is, if I don't know if you can see this on there. Oh, can you? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I've got like, oh, you can't see it. Yeah. So like, if you look at that, that's everything there on my setup, like that. So there's all the screens, and that's what I'm focused on right now. So I can't like just keep focusing on the chat. So if you feel like the chat's a bit slow, I'm very sorry. I'm not doing it on purpose. I'm not ignoring people. It's okay, Oakley. You don't need to apologize. I'm apologizing if you feel like it's a bit slow. I'm sorry. I love it. It's going up. Sierra, you're gonna Bugs Bunny some people. They're gonna lose money because of you, bro. Marley just followed. Thank you very much, Marley, in the building. Oakley, we love Danny. No, we love Oakley as well, bro. Forex trading education, bro. My guys don't need education. You can see they're doing very, very well right now. They understand the markets. They know what's going on. They know what they're doing. Sierra just got dumped, bro. Sierra just got dumped, bro. Kenny 2000, thank you very much for following. Sierra. What? Sierra. I need a break. I need 2 minutes. I need to come off the charts, guys. If you need to make yourself a coffee or something, bang! I told you you need to watch out for this area here. I did tell you guys. I marked it out. I said watch out for this area here. This is a danger zone. I said if you can break past it, you'll be okay. If you can't, it's dumping, man. This is why I do higher time frame analysis. Yeah, this is why this area was, it was a fake out. It was a fake out. I'll tell you why it was a fake out. Yeah. Oakley, I don't know if you're going to continue holding, bro. So yeah, price pushed down, retraced. Yeah. Retraced premium area for a sell-off. Price pushed down. It couldn't break structure to the downside. It made this fair value gap and made people think, okay, it's going to respect this area. But no, what you need to do before you take the entry is you needed to wait for this to break here. So this is what you needed to wait for. Let me tell you guys. So you have the price push down, retrace up, push down. Couldn't break structure to the downside, yeah? Pushed up. But you needed it to push up and close there. Then you could have looked for something like that. Yeah? So when people say there's fake outs, these are fake outs. People started buying here thinking price is going to push up, and price just absolutely dumped. But I said watch out for this area here. They're fake outs. So that's the perfect live example of a fake out that I can give to you guys. Thanks God I have a stop loss, Sierra. Rejected right away, Oakley. Yes, man. Wick City, says Jay. Danny, I'm a grand up now. Oakley, well, I was. Oakley, it might be a good time to maybe, I don't know if price is going to continue going down right now. It might be a massive liquidity sweep right now. Let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame. Let's see where we're at. Yeah. So if you look at this area here, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure if price is going to carry on dumping. I don't know. Thank you very much for following. B, you got a lot. Thank you very much for following. STF, you damn this candle. J Trades for real. Thanks God I have a stop loss. STF, you damn this candle. Kenny, I'm short from 298.20. Well done, Kenny. Kenny 2000. Well done, bro. Sierra, put the fries in the bag. Oakley said, Sierra, put your fries in the bag. Sierra was like, no, I'm 100%. Sierra, that, you know what the problem was? I could see it. And as soon as you were saying this is going up, it's going up, it's going up, I was looking at it thinking, nah, it's a fake out, bro. It's got to be a fake out. That's why I said to you, as soon as you said you needed to break above here, which was right, you did need it to break above here, but I was like, you know what, you need to be careful of this area here. And I marked out this area, this bit here, this candle. It was this, because this would have been classed as an order block. Yeah, this would have been classed as an order block, but I don't really do order blocks and shit like that. But I do know there's certain types of movement in the market where things usually get respected, and price just kept tapping back out. It went above it with force, couldn't hold, and it went down with force, and then it just bang. So now I don't know if price is going to continue pushing back up. So it could be like a liquidity sweep for price to like now change its direction. So now if you get the breaker structures and all the rest of that, now might be a good time to start looking at maybe holding the, just sitting on your hands, or maybe wait for some sort of change of character or something. But you still need some good breaks of structure on that. Just like, don't go in blind. Sierra, I think it's going down to Sierra. J Trades rejection is so dirty. Oakley's trade, yeah, literally. Sierra says, I think it's going down to 29574. Sierra, bro, Sierra, I'm telling you, yeah, you better not leave now and never come back to this live again. Yeah, you better just come back on tomorrow as well. We need you here, bro. We need you here. You like mess with people's heads and mess with their brains as well, and you're actually blowing people's accounts. Though Sierra, I know you're a good trader. I know you make money on your trading. I know you like passing some challenges as well, and you're always like getting some wins. But I don't think today's price action it's not your thing. So I think today's like this is where you need to sit on your hands, bro. Oakley, Sierra, can you say it's going up again, please? I see 29700, some liquidity in bookmark. There's chance to go down. There's obviously always some chance, bro. There's always some chance, bro. That's Kenny 2000. Sham, Sierra, yes. FS, sweep all those lows from previous sessions. Yeah, man. Ian Agayo, CRT telling it's gonna go past 29819. You hear that, guys? Ian Agayo saying CRT telling us it's gonna go past 29819. STFU, I'm in a sell. Where should I set my TP? Bro, I can't give financial advice, bro. I wish I could, but I can't. That's why I don't do signals. I don't like giving advice. I just like to trade. Faithful followed. Thank you very much, Faithful. Thank you very much for following us. Sierra, I will wait 30 minutes to re-enter. Yeah, just wait. Just give it some time. You don't have to enter into a trade straight away. No one's forcing you. No one's holding you by the throat and saying enter a trade right now. Take your time. Take your time, bro. That's the only way. Oakley, shareholder volume is decreasing. Leroy, Leroy's loving it, bro. I'm loving it too. We got action today, man. This is good. Jam-packed full of action today, bro. J Trades, CRT, Ian Igayo, CRT 10 is gonna go past 2819. J Trades took out the longs, teased the shorts, now probably running it up. Yeah, man, it's doing some. This is right now, the markets are doing foreplay. They're just like this is like foreplay. Yeah, it sounds a bit gay. Yeah, forget the foreplay shit. Danny, I'm gonna go now, but I'll be back to Oakley. Oakley, well done. You've done so well, and we are proud of you as a team, guys. Maybe we should go Oakley a round of applause, because you know what? You actually smashed it. The trade that you held yesterday, that's the trade I would have closed and went sleep, and I wouldn't have worried about it. But the way you held that, hats off to you, bro. Well done. J trades when nobody on board the train. Tell me about it. Sierra, learning from my bad decisions. Trust me, bro. We all do them every single day. We all make bad decisions. It happens. It happens. Peace Oakley from J Trades. STFU, it's going 296665. I say. J Trades, that is Sierra. On to the next set on. Shout out STFU. Yesterday low at least. J Trades clapping. Bro, been emotional, man. It's been emotional. Today's been a really damn good live, and I've really enjoyed it. I've loved it. Absolutely loved it. What's the time right now? It's only 10 past 10, still early. Thank you very much, STFU. Thank you so much for following. We've enjoyed it. We've enjoyed you in the live today. It's been amazing, bro. It's been amazing. We've had some right entertainment as well. So that's it, man. This is what I say. Trading's fun, yeah? You got to make trading fun. You can't make it too serious. Okay, trading, you have to be serious to make money, yeah? It's not a fucking joke. People think trading's a fucking joke. It's not a fucking joke, yeah? It's some serious shit. But at the same time, you need to learn to, like, loosen up and just enjoy it a bit as well. Like, don't go too hard on yourselves. Losses are a part of the game. You'll always take some wins and you'll always take some losses. If you're on prop firms, it don't matter how advanced trader you are, you're always going to take losses. You're always going to blow accounts. You're going to make money from them because you're going to figure out a way how to win these guys, yeah? You're going to figure out a way how to win the prop firm game, yeah? But you're always going to blow accounts. But then you get to an advanced level of blowing accounts. Because you get to a level where you know how to play the game, you will make money from them, and then you'll oversize, over leverage, because you know what you're doing. Because you know if you get a big home run, you're going to make some good money. But if it blows out, it blows out. Then you go back to the drawing board, not the drawing board. You go back to the prop firm, you buy it again, you do it again. You know how to play the game, and then you run it up, get your payouts, and then you go for that one big one again. That happens in prop firms. You can't, however, you can't do that on your personal accounts, on your personal broker accounts. You can afford to lose $2,000-3,000 on a prop firm because it's not your real money. You can't afford to lose $2,000-3,000 on your real capital. So remember that, guys. Real trading, broker, personal accounts is totally different to prop firm. They're two different games. Learn how to play both of them. Yeah, don't learn prop firms and then take your same game plan into personal brokerages, yeah, because that's not going to work. You'll end up with nothing. So remember, always take it serious, as serious as it gets. Enjoy yourselves, have a laugh as well, but don't take the piss and disrespect it neither, because you don't want to wreck yourself. Joe, only a month into this and blew my account yesterday. Not much money, but nearly had a meltdown. Joe, this is the beginning, bro. This is the beginning. It's a very long journey. You will do it. You will make it. You will make it. It just takes time. It hit my stop loss at 763, but I re-entered long at 769. Okay. So like it hit your stop loss. Were you going for a sell when you hit your stop loss, and now you're going for the buy, yeah? Seth, good morning. Seth, good morning to you, bro. You've missed an eventful live today. It was absolutely crazy. It was good. It was a nice one. I enjoyed myself. Joe, D498, paid tuition, I guess. Yeah, but I don't get what you mean, paid tuition. Oh, paid for the prop firm's tuition. Yeah, learning on prop firms, paying from them, blowing them, and learning from them. Yeah, so it is paid tuition. You're 100% right, bro. Zuriel, I was originally on buy, but it hit my stop loss, went down, blew 763. Oh, okay, Zuriel, yes, you were on a buy. Yeah, you were on a buy. You just buyed at the wrong place. That's all it was. You just bought at the wrong place. Jibu man in the house. What's up, Jibu man? Zoriel 777, but it looks good for a long still. I went back in at 769. Yes, you're right. Jibuman, brother, how's life? Yes, brother, life is good. Jibuman, how you doing? Jibuman, what part of the world are you from? I forgot now. I speak to you every day, but I speak to everyone every day. There's so many people from different parts of the world. Where are you from, Jibuman? Seth, had to help my wife, but price action looked like a bang. Bro, price action wasn't good. It looked shit. It was really shit. It was dumping, but it was dumping with really shit price action. So it's kind of a good thing that you wasn't in the trade, or you wasn't trading at that time, but it's a bad thing that you missed our live, because our live was so eventful, man. It was good. It was very good. We had some absolute wicked people in the house. Pottery party. That's better. That was like a fucking mousetrap. Smashed the shit out of my finger. Right, guys, if you're going to go for a buy, just wait for a retracement. Just don't enter straight away yet, because you don't know. It might, price can just do all sorts of bullshit. It's not good price action today. QML, bro. Jibuman, QML. Where's QML? Why is QML, bro? Damn. You think it'll touch 600 area? I think it has to break the 700 first. I'm not sure what you mean, Sham. Because that will be only if it's going down. Right now, price is kind of pushing. But it's not price action for me to enter in on, because look, this is what the high time frame looks like, and that's not an area for me. Like, but I don't really like what's going on the left hand side. We can still keep pushing up. It can keep pushing up to go all-time highs. You never know, but I don't know. Like, I need all this area to be broken past. But yeah, price action's not my thing, man. Normally I get it right. Normally I can say, okay, yeah, definitely this is what's happening, this is where price is going to go. But right now, I think you should wait for a retracement. If anything, guys, just wait for a retracement. I want to see what happens in this area here. I want to see if that area gets respected. Need to see if that area gets respected there. Or this. I might just bring it up till about there. I'll see this whole area here. I don't like that because it's not a deep enough retracement, but the way the candles have moved there, you don't know if you're going to get that deep enough retracement. Come on, 819 says Ian Nageo. 740 to 810. I'll take it. Wow, 37 to 40 people jumped on again. Live is absolutely beautiful today, and thank you very much for joining, guys. It's been absolutely amazing, and all for the guys that have just stayed on all the way throughout, because it has been eventful. It has been fun. I've enjoyed myself. You lot have made this live absolutely brilliant. Thing is, I didn't manage to concentrate too much on taking a trade myself, but next time we'll have a laugh and a joke, and I'll try and sit there and take a few trades myself. Yeah, so join the Discord for free, guys. I'll put the link in the chat, so you can join the Discord that way. The Discord is for free. You can join the Discord from the link in the bio on TikTok, and you can join the Discord from the link in the description if you're on YouTube. Let's have a look at the YouTube numbers. Let's see what's been happening on YouTube. I'm just live across a couple of different platforms. I might set up Kick and Twitch and start living on that as well. 163 on YouTube. Wow. And that's the YouTube Shorts. And then the YouTube bigger screen, we've had a lot less people on there, but it's been nice. Let me just put the link in that chat as well, because it hasn't actually gone into the YouTube chat. So in YouTube, the link for the Discord is in the chat. Also, the link is in the description if you want to join the Discord. The Discord is for free, guys. So yeah, jump on, join up, and yeah, do all the good stuff. All right, looks like it's going to slow down a bit. Let's see what price is actually doing. I could have actually just jumped in on a trade. Let's see what the 2 minute was like. Yeah, it weren't too bad. Let's have a 3 minute. Imagine entering off this rejection candle close here. That would have been an aggressive trade for me. I don't actually do aggressive trades, but that would have been very aggressive. Yeah. But if I did come off that rejection candle there, the candle closure, risk what, 300 and just say risk say $250 and just wait for price to keep pushing, that would have been $1,000. But I've just got a new Tradeify prop firm account, so I don't want to just take any trade, any random trade. I want to only take my A+ setups. And then when you take A+ setups when you're trading on prop firms, even in the challenge phase, so you take your A+ setups, but what you do, you size up a little bit. So you don't go in with like small size, so it takes you forever to pass. You size up, you go in with the A+ setup on a bigger size, so you pass the prop firms challenges a lot quicker. But then when you get to the funded stage, you can just like slow it down a little bit. Danny, I'd hold a short if I were you. I don't know, bro. I don't know right now. Are you still holding your short? Oakley, I thought you left, man. Oakley's back in the building. Zoriel 769815. Let's go, bro. Danny, this is liquidity sweep to continue lower. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's not my type of game plan, so I wouldn't actually take an entry. I'm definitely going to be on New York session today. Not on live on New York session, but I'm definitely going to be looking to trade the markets on New York session. Definitely need to see what the hell is going to be going on. We'll have a look at what the market open looks like. Just be careful of the 1:30 p.m. red folder news event. It is Canadian news, but still it can affect the Nasdaq markets. God damn, it's really hot today. I'm still in a short. We've had a mad morning, a mad Friday today. Absolutely crazy. Sham, gonna call it a night, Danny. Yeah, Sham, good night. I enjoyed the live. Hopefully I wake up a winner in a couple of hours. I hope you wake up a winner too, bro. Winner. Chicken dinner. J Trades, all the best, Sham. Sham, if you haven't already, make sure you follow. I think you did hit the follow button. The live's been absolutely sick. Loved it. Today's live was wicked. We got a bit of entertainment from the markets, but the best thing about today's live was everybody had their own game plan. J Trade, same to you. Let me know if you hit TP, fam. Good place. See that? You get me. It's a good community. You make friends here. So everybody, you should just join in on the chat. Don't be shy. Just join in on the chats and just get involved. Don't worry about asking a stupid question. Everything's a stupid question if you don't know what you're doing about trading. The only stupid one really is the one that you don't ask. But if I can answer it, I will help you guys out. What the hell? Wow, 40 people joining. I see we got George Antonio in the building. George, we got 40 people with us today. We've had 1,000 eyes on us already. I'm just looking at the stats right now. But out of the 1,000 people, 40 actually stayed on, and we had an amazing live today, George. Arab Aaron's, hi bro, how are you? Aaron, I'm good, man, good, thank you so much. How are you, my brother? Rock on, brother. George, you know what? I went on to the live last night, and I thought to myself, you know what? I'm just missing the London session a bit. So I made a bit more of an effort on the London session. I thought, you know what? Let's just call it in, gather people up, and then slowly. More money, 111. Thank you very much for following. Arab Aaron's, good, thanks. Good. Arab Aaron's, you managed to take any trades today? You're from Australia, right? Australia or New Zealand or somewhere, I can't remember. Getting international here. International, making friends from all over the world. Let's see if you remember where I come from. Seth, you are from... 1 second. Let me just get someone at my door. George Antonio, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Seth, I don't remember. Is it Germany? You're from Germany? I don't remember, bro. Malumi, thank you very much for following. Thank you so much. Antonio, thank you very much. Sierra with the 17,000 likes, bro. Oh my god. You best not break your finger. Seth, where are you from? Yes, I'm from Germany. Oh, yes, Romania. How can I forget my Romanian friend? Oh, yeah, because Alpha Futures was banned in Romania. They don't trade there, do they? George Antonio, can we trade PU Prime in Romania? Do they get the bonus as well? Kenny, Romania here too also. Wicked. We're going international, baby. I'm gonna make friends from all over the world. You watch. All over the friends. Build a massive community. Go dump it. So guys, look, if you go on this link in the description or this link in the chat, if you're on TikTok, the link is in the bio. If you're on YouTube, the link is in the description. And if you're on the chat right now, the link is in the chat. If you click on the link in the chat, you get free access to my Discord. I'm just going to show you a few things that you can get now, yeah? So you get access to my Discord, which is free. So you got free access to the Discord. Prop firm discounts. You got Alpha Futures, Funding Pips, TradeZella. You get a free market structure masterclass, and you get a free trading journal template, and then you can access the full trading course. That's a paid one with mentorship, by the way. So that's access for the full trading course, but you get free. Everything else is free, and the free market structure masterclass. And you also get, this is what I wanted to find out, Giorgio Antonio. So on Pre-U Prime, guys, I think it's available in Romania as well. So if you click on this link on PU Prime, you get up to 1 to 1,000 leverage. And soon I will be sharing my signals as well. but you'll need to be signed up to PU Prime to actually get the signals from me, because I'm not going to charge you for signals. My signals are going to be free as well. Leroy Apex Group. Leroy, nice extra profit for the week. $322 on the group. Oh my god. How much are you copy trading there, bro? Anyway, guys, I think Giorgio Tony has gone missing. But if you sign up to PU Prime, this is a broker. Whatever you deposit, I think up to $1,000, they give you... is that PU Prime work in Australia? Yeah, I think it works in Australia as well, bro. But click on the link and make sure you use my... code as well. But use that link and make sure you use my code, because then what you do, whatever money you put in there, you got to read the terms and conditions, but whatever money you put in there, you get 100% bonus. So in some countries, if you put $1,000 in there, you're going to get $1,000 bonus. So you'll have $2,000 to trade with. So in some countries, but you got to read the terms and conditions. If you put $1,000 bonus, $1,000 in, you get 50% bonus. So you get $500 into that account. So yeah, just make sure you use that link, only that link, and then you will get that bonus. But then let me just log into... Pretty good week. Yeah, you got an absolutely brilliant week, bro. Yeah, so make sure you only use this link if you're going to sign up with them, because that way you will be getting the bonus, guys. And also, I'm just going to give you the referral code. I'll make a referral code now as well. The referral code, I'm just going to put into the chat. The referral code is FXTRADER2024. So make sure you put that if you need a referral code. JP King 11, thank you very much for following. Yo, we've had some amazing people today. Amazing people today. So yeah, if you want a broker with high leverage, PU Prime, make sure you use the link in my link tree. I've put that in the chat. It links in the bio, links in the description, in TikTok, link in the bio. No, link in the bio and TikTok, link in the description in YouTube. And I also put the link in the chat. You can also join my Discord that way for free. There you go. Link is in the chat again. So yeah, once you've signed up, make sure you send me a DM. That way, if you do put money into it, you want to get your bonus as well. Either 50% depending on what country you're in, or 100% bonus. That's what you want. At least you want to get some money back for trading. You can't just withdraw it, I think, but you get extra money to trade with that way. But yeah, guys, it's been a very good live today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate you guys joining on with me today. Absolutely loved it. But the market's moving slow and I've not managed to find a setup today, guys. To be fair, this area here could have just caught this move here to this area. So what would that trade look like? So imagine if I did it from the midpoint to the bottom there. So just say $315. I always try to do $300 and less, so I'd probably go there. Say about $290 and that. So it would have been about 600 and no, it would have been about $600. So that would have been a 1 to 2. Could have caught that as a 1 to 2, but it's very risky and not part of my game plan, so I didn't go for it. Because I knew this area here was going to cause some problems, and it fucking did. I should have put a sell on there though. If I really had that feeling, because I was just chatting too much and enjoying my time with you guys, I missed the trade. But I'm not going to blame it on you guys. Oh, look, that would have been absolutely perfect. $300 above the highs. So just above these highs. And take profit there. And that would have been $1,000 straight done on this one trade here. So I knew to take it. I marked it out, but I just didn't take it myself. But I need to stop doing that, and I just need to start chatting with everyone. Chris Travis from YouTube. That is easy discipline and patience, man. That's it, bro. discipline and patience all the way. So I was sitting on my hands. I could have caught some trades, but because I was just chatting, not looking at the charts properly, I did mark them out. I was looking at them properly. I did mark the charts out. I did show the point of interest, but I didn't actually take the trades because it was just an eventful live. We were chatting, we were having jokes, everyone was in their trades, and yeah, that shouldn't stop me from actually entering into a trade. But because it wasn't fully 100% part of my game plan, I sit on my hands and I don't take a trade. You don't have to take a trade every day. Remember guys, I tell you this every single day. You don't have to take a trade every day. You don't always have to be involved in the market. You don't need to ego trade. You don't need to force trade, revenge trade, fear of missing out. No one gives a shit. Don't matter what happens today, the markets are still going to be here tomorrow. We can still come back tomorrow. That's how you protect your capital, guys. Just sit on your hands and don't fart on your hands. Chris, Travis, make sure you follow on YouTube, bro, because this has actually come to the live end of our live today. I'm gonna shoot off now. It's been absolutely amazing. Trade City, thank you so much. Anyway, man, this side of Uganda, we love you so much, bro. I know I had 89,000 people on TikTok from the Uganda areas, like around that country and different countries around there. My views got massive on one of my TikTok videos. So yeah, drop me a message. We'll chat. And make sure you join our live all the time. And have you subscribed already? Yeah. Trade City, sit on your hands all the way, bro. But don't sit on your hands when there's an A+ setup. When there's an A+ setup, go for it, execute. Risk management is key. Make sure you're using a good contract size or lot size. And make sure you're not oversizing, over leveraging, force trading, and looking for too much of a bigger take profit where price can just retrace and bang you out before it goes back in that same direction anyway. So make sure you're always protecting your capital. I'm out, guys. 100% Trade City. I will, bro. Thank you very much, Chris, Travis. I'm going to shoot off now. And I hope you guys all enjoyed the live. I absolutely love the live today. The stats are absolutely fucking amazing for this live. And I'll see you guys again. Oh, have a great weekend. I forgot it's Friday, bro. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Don't worry about the charts. Yeah, don't go crazy about the charts. If you're going to trade New York session, good luck. Trade safe. And don't worry about trading over the weekend. Give your mind to relax. Chill with your family. Go out. Spend some time with yourself. Give yourself some self-loving. Not bust a nut, but just some self-loving. Enjoy time with your family and friends. Go out. Enjoy the weather. Have a good time. And then come back on the markets fresh on Monday. And then we'll be ready to go again to absolutely fucking smash it. Brokers and prop firms. We're going in, man. Jay Trades, all the best with the trades, peeps. Yeah, man, Jay, I'll see you later. It's coming home. Oh, yes. Jay saying it's coming home. Call it for the week. Super week and super streams as always. Today, Leroy, today was a good stream. Absolutely loved it. I made a few changes. But yeah, we're going to continue with these changes. When is the next live, Chris? Chris, the next live is going to be Monday morning, 8:30 AM GMT time. So 8:30 AM UK time, London session. Remember that, London session, 8:30 AM GMT, London session. We'll be back again Monday. And remember, join the Discord. The Discord is for free. I'll put the link in the chat. Also, if you're on YouTube, the link is in the chat. The link is also in the description. I'm just going to put it in the chat one more time, and the link is in the description on YouTube, and the link is in the bio on TikTok. So make sure you guys go and join the Discord for free. It's got a learning hub on there. You get free training videos every Wednesday. You got a learning hub, guys. Market structure is king, and my trading is all about market structure. Remember that, guys. We follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Don't go against the trend. You will lose your monies. That part didn't need to rhyme. That part need to stick out because you lose your motherfucking monies. Right, guys, I'm out, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Sunbeats Beauty Spa. What's PU Prime referral code again? It's FXTRADER2024. So it's FXTRADER2024, and I've put it into the chat. So Sunbeats Beauty Spa referral code is coming to you right now. And slowly but surely, I'm going to start adding my own trades. Whoever joins me on PU Prime, I'm going to have a separate telegram for you guys, and even a space on my Discord. It's going to be a VIP space. It's going to be for free, but only for the people who join me on PU Prime. And then every time I see my trades and whatever I see, I'm going to smash out a signal. So you guys take the trade when I take the trade. And it'll be throughout the day. Whether I'm on live or whether I'm not on live, you will get a notification. But that's going to still take a few weeks or a month or so to set up. But I need more people joining me on there so that when the time comes, we're ready to go. We're ready to fire. See you later, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, one more thing. Types of traders. There's traders that know what they're doing but are not quite profitable yet. There's beginner traders. Then you get the advanced traders, which are the swing traders, day traders, scalpers, and investors. Yeah, types of traders. Then you get traders that know what they're doing but don't want to study trading, or they don't want to sit at the charts. These guys are called copy traders. So if you guys are part of the copy traders and just want a signal for me, I'm not going to be charging money for the signals. If you want a signal for me, join up with PU Prime. The link is in the bio, and join me through there. The code will be FXTRADER2024, which I put into the chat, and at some point I will get that set up. And you get bonuses on there at the moment as well. So whatever you put in, you get 50% bonus of your money, or you get 100% bonus on your money, depending on where you are from the world. Terms and conditions, read the terms and conditions. But anyway, until next time, until next Monday, I'll see you guys later, and enjoy the rest of the day and the weekend. Enough love and respect, and thank you very much for joining the live today. Peace out, guys. I love you. I love you.